Hello listeners, welcome back to SpeakUp. Today we'll know about ecology and ecosystems. Ecology is the scientific study of relations that living organisms have with respect to each other and their natural environment. Under ecology, we study various ecosystems which are a part of the biosphere. An ecosystem includes all the organisms and the non-living environment that are found in a particular place. Ecological succession. It is the observed process of change in the species structure of an ecological community over time. Ecological succession occurs when the conditions of an environment suddenly and drastically change. Food chain. A food chain shows the feeding relationship between different living things in a particular habitat. Food chains show how energy is passed from the sun to producers, from producers to consumers, and from consumers to decomposers. In any ecosystem, many food chains overlap. When this happens, the food chain forms a food web. A food web is a graphical description of feeding relationship among species in an ecological community. It even specifies the energy relation and transfer of energy amongst them. There are many food chains contained in these food webs. Let us look at the types of ecosystems. 1. Forest ecosystem. 2. Grassland ecosystem. 3. Desert ecosystem. 4. Aquatic ecosystem. Forest ecosystem. A forest ecosystem is a terrestrial unit of living organisms, all interacting among themselves and with the environment, soil, climate, water and light in which they live. Types of forest ecosystems are here. 1. Tropical rainforest. 2. Tropical seasonal forest. 3. Temperate evergreen and deciduous forest. 4. Boreal forest. 5. Savanna and woodland. Grassland ecosystem, a biological community that contains few trees or shrubs characterized by mixed herbaceous vegetation cover, dominated by grasses or grass-like plants. It occupies about 19% of Earth's surface. Types of grassland ecosystem are: 1. Tropical and subtropical grasslands. 2. Temperate grasslands. 3. Flooded grasslands. 4. Montane grasslands. 5. Tundra grasslands. 6. Desert and xeric grasslands. Desert ecosystem. A desert ecosystem exists where there is little rainfall and the climate is extreme in harshness. It occupies about 17% of the Earth's surface. Types of desert ecosystem are here: hot and dry deserts, cold deserts, semi-arid deserts, coastal deserts. Aquatic ecosystem. It is an ecosystem located in water bodies. The two main types of aquatic ecosystems are marine ecosystems and freshwater ecosystems. This freshwater ecosystems have types like lentic, lotic and wetland. Responsibilities towards ecosystem are: after studying and analyzing the various ecosystems, their internal components, biotic factors, we can very well conclude that man is the part and parcel of these God gift. It's the foremost responsibility to include the conservation and maintenance of these precious gift of nature as crucial priority in our life. Thank you listeners. We'll come up with more useful topics in our next videos. Thank you again.